Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Palisade cabin air filter. Start by opening the glove box and removing contents, then release the glove box stops to access the filter housing behind it. Unclip the housing cover, slide out the old filter, and inspect the compartment for debris. Insert the new filter with airflow arrow oriented correctly, reattach the cover and glove box stops, then test airflow and enjoy. Before you begin, gather the necessary tools and parts to make the job quick and clean. You only need a new cabin air filter designed for Hyundai Palisade, a small flathead or Phillips screwdriver, and a soft flashlight for visibility. Having a vacuum or damp cloth helps remove debris from the housing. Keep a trash bag nearby for the old filter and wash your hands after handling dust to avoid irritation. Now we'll walk through the removal and replacement steps in a calm, clear way so you can follow along easily. Open the glove box fully, press in the sides to lower the stops, and carefully let it hang to reveal the filter housing. Unclip the housing cover, slide the old filter out straight, and check the cavity for leaves or debris. Install the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing inward, then reassemble everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.